Hello, everyone. My name is Shonda Banks. I live here in Las Vegas, Nevada. I did my first year field placement at a women's and children's homeless shelter. They service mostly women and children in domestic violence situations. They also had, if they had pets, they had a section where they would also, keep their pets as well. The experience I've had working with families outside of my field placement, which gave me a little bit of experience with working with families, but the most experience I've had, I was a certified nursing assistant for many, many years. About 10 of those years, I worked in hospice in home. So I went out to the families' homes and take care of their loved one that were dying. So that gave me a lot of experience working with families, actually going to the home, seeing the family dynamics and different things that they're going through, especially in their time of need, in their most vulnerable time with their loved one dying. So that gave me a lot of experience working with families. So I feel pretty comfortable with working with families, just in that aspect, as well as working in long-term care facilities and things like that. Working with the family members that would come and see their loved one as well. Um, the basic structure or some history about my family structure is I did grow up in a two-parent home. Um, I did grow up with my mother, but with a stepfather. I was the oldest of six children, so I was more so of the caretaker of my siblings. Um, the the age difference between myself and my youngest sibling is 18 years, so um, I definitely played that caretaker role in my family as I still do today. Even my role today, I play in my own family, um, even with being a single parent of I'm taking care of currently seven children. Well, the oldest two are adults, but I'm currently taking care of five of my nieces and nephews as well. And even with that, I have the role of the caretaker within my family. Usually, even my mom or my aunts or uncles, any type of things they need done or anything like that, they usually, feel that they can count on me to get things done or any type of family issues or anything like that. So I definitely feel that my role in my family, my immediate family, and in my extended family would be the caretaker role. Um, um, one role, well, I guess the caretaker role that I feel that would impact my practice with working with client families would be that I'm so comfortable being that caretaker, um, just you know, trying to step outside of that role and being the work as the worker client relationship, as far as not being that caretaker and want to try to solve the problem, and actually listening and being on the role of the worker instead of the caretaker role. So I feel that's how that would impact my role with working with client families. um, the only I don't really feel that I have any burning questions at this point. So I just want to wish everyone the best of luck in this class, and I look forward to working with everybody. Bye bye.